Clamps are an important tool in any woodworking shop. Big clamps, little clamps, clamps for everything, and we've got them for you. One of the most common clamps in the shop is the F-style, or small bar clamp. The reasonably shallow jaw and tight size allows access to a wide variety of clamping situations, and the gripping strength imparted at the screw pad is equal to any task. These clamps are available in 6, 12, and 24-inch lengths from both Irwin and Bessie, and also available in deeper jaw heavy-duty designs. You need a nice selection of these in your shop. In the same size category, but with a twist, clamps that can be tightened using one hand have revolutionized the category. From Bessie gear clamps to the more common one-handed clamps, these clamps have made working alone much easier. With somewhat less clamping pressure than standard F-style clamps, you should still have a bunch of these in your shop. When you need serious pressure for the job, and a little extra jaw depth, parallel jaw clamps provide lots of pressure in a design that keeps the pressure even all along the length of the clamp jaw. Add to that the clamp's ability to stand on its own during use, and these are must-have clamps. If you're looking for a tried and true standby at a bit of a savings, don't overlook the classic pipe clamp. Buy the clamp ends and mix and match with affordable lengths of 3/4 inch pipe, and your clamp selection becomes varied at a bargain price. And before we forget, spring clamps are an absolute necessity in any shop. Available in a few sizes, when it comes to holding something in place for a test fit, marking a piece, or just a simple glue-up, spring clamps are your best friend. So before you say you have enough clamps, there may just be a project lurking that will prove you wrong. Let Infinity Cutting Tools be your clamping headquarters.